Assalamu alaikum students. So today again we are going to have a continuation of the articles, and today we are going to focus on the definite article, that is the. Now this definite article the is a specific one. Specific one here means here you choose. You have your own choice. Here let me explain you what do we mean by actually specific one. So suppose there is a basket of fruits and some apples are kept in the basket. So if you ask your brother that give me an apple, so he'll just go and get any apple for you. But then if you want the particular one, the red one, which is, looking quite juicy, so then you'll say, no, give me the apple. So you will point out, you will specify it. So that is specific one, and here you choose. So there are certain rules when we use this definite article. When for the second time you talk about the same noun. Now what does that mean that you talk about the same noun again? You might have already read the story of the lion and the mouse. So it is once upon a time a lion was sleeping under a tree. The lion was in a deep sleep. So here in the beginning it was a lion, but later on again we are talking about the same noun, so it has become the lion. So an example I can give you over here. I bought some fruit. Now here the fruit is some fruit, but again I am talking about the same fruit, so it has become particular. The fruit was bad. Now next is when the speaker and the listener I'm so sorry here. Or you can say the reader. So the speaker and the listener both know what they are talking about. So at that time we will use the. Like, let me give you an example. The book you want is out of stock. So here, before this book, we have used the word the, because the speaker and the listener both know about which book they are talking about. So the book you want is out of stock. Then 1% of countries. Before them we use the. See, we all live in India. So India is a proper noun. Before India or before Europe or before Sri Lanka or before Nepal, we will not use the, but only 1% of the countries, before them we will be writing the, because there is a word united in the title of this country, like the USA. Now here the USA, that is United States of America. Then we have the UK, that is United Kingdom. Then the UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. So these are the countries, they will have the before them. Then if the country has more than 2 words in the name, those countries will also have the before them. Then if any country is comprised of small or tiny islands, then before those countries' names also we will have the article the, like the Philippines, then the West Indies, or you can say the Canary Islands. So before these countries' names also we will have the article the before them, because they are comprised of small or tiny islands. Now see, you will say that Japan also is comprised of islands. Then why not the Japan? But let me tell you, I spoke about small or tiny islands, and Japan is not comprised of small or tiny islands. The islands are bigger. So we will not use the definite article the before Japan. Now, apart from all these things, this is also used before the names of oceans and seas, rivers, canals, deserts, and as I said before, group of islands. Now here we have the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, then the the Yamuna, then we have the Sahara Desert, then group of islands we have just seen before, like the West Indies or the Philippines. Then this is also used before the names of certain books. Now these certain books are the Vedas, the Puranas, the Quran, the Bible. Then this is also used before the names of things which are unique in their kind. Now, which are the things which are unique in their kind, like the sun, the sky, the sea, the ocean? So here we can have, these are the things which are unique in their kind. Apart from that, this is also used with the superlatives, like the darkest, the tallest. So here we have the before these superlatives. We also have this the article with the ordinals. In mathematics, you have already learnt about ordinals and cardinals. So ordinals are the numbers, like we use first, second, third. So here we use before them the article, that is the first, the 18th, etc. This is also used before the names of the musical instruments. Like the guitar. Apart from that, when two comparatives are used together, we use the article the. The more, the better. The merrier, the happier. So I hope you all have just gone through this article also, the definite article the, and then we will move on to the next part of this article, that is omission of the article. Means when we are not allowed to use any of these articles before the noun. So now we are entering into the red zone, that is omission of the article. So there is no entry over here to any of these articles. That's why particularly I called it as a red zone area. Now let us see where do we have this red zone area where this article is not used. Simple. It is not used before the names of materials, that is gold, iron. So like example, gold is a precious metal, but we will not say the gold, or iron is stronger metal. So here we will not say the iron, we will simply say gold or iron. This is also not used before proper noun. Like we have proper nouns as like your name, my name, or city's name like Mumbai, country's name like Germany, India, or Bhavna, or Arfat, whatever. Before this, we will not be using any of these articles. Before abstract nouns, also we do not use this article like honesty, beauty. So success, before them we do not use any of these articles because these are the nouns. Abstract nouns are the nouns we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can just feel them. So before them we will not be using. Before collective nouns, we will not be using any of these article like mankind or society. These are the collective nouns. So before them we will not be using this article. Apart from that, uncountables. Now for before uncountable nouns also we will not be using any of these article like milk. Before milk we will not be using any of this article, or sugar or wheat. These are the nouns which we cannot count. So before the names of the materials, before proper nouns, before abstract nouns, before collective nouns, or before uncountable nouns, we will not be using any of these articles. Now apart from that, we also have certain relations. So before the names of some relations. Now which are those relations? Like father, mother, aunt, uncle, cook, nurse. We will not be using any of these articles. Like the father has returned from work, or aunt wants you to see her, then cook has given the notice. So before these relations we will not be using any of these articles. Apart from this, we have one another example in detail which I'll be seeing later on, but before that I have remembered one more thing, that is before languages we do not use any of these articles like English, Hindi, Marathi, French, Japanese, German. So before any of these languages we will not be using the article. Now as I said, one important rule which we will be going through of this omission of the article, which I will be doing just now. There are some places before them we will not be using the article the. Why we will not be using the article the, that we will just see. There are some in places, but I'll first give you the example of school. Now here the word school, it is visited with some primary purpose, and it is also visited with some other purpose. Now, what is a primary purpose? Why is it visited? It is visited for the sake of learning. Who visit school for learning purpose? Students, right? So, for students or teachers, also they visit school for teaching purpose, right? But for your parents, it will not be any of these purpose, neither learning nor teaching. They will be visiting school for some other purpose, like for paying fees, or if you have committed some mistake, teachers have called them, or to attend open house, or if they have some complaint, or if they have some query. For all these different purposes, they will be visiting school. So for you, if it is a primary purpose, then it will be simply school. There will be no article before that. But if it is for your parents or for your relatives or for somebody else, it will be the school. Remember this. So like school, we have some other places also, like college, church, or mandir, masjid, bed, table, hospital, market, prison. So if we are using it for primary purpose of these places, then we will be omitting the article. But if it is used for some other purpose, then it will be the before it. Like I met him at the church. So for me, visiting the church is some other purpose. So it will be the church over there. The bed is broken. Now the main purpose of the bed is what? Sleeping. If somebody is sleeping on bed, or he is in bed till late hours or till 9 o'clock, then it will be just bed. But the bed is broken. So here it will become the bed. My uncle is admitted, or he is rushed to hospital, or he is admitted in hospital. But if I am going over there to visit him, so I went to the hospital to see my uncle. So these will be the differences over here. So in these cases, we will be omitting the article the. So that's all. I hope you all have understood indefinite article, definite article, and omission of the article. Whatever your queries you will be having, you can just connect to me on Google Classroom. Not on this, you will not be commenting anything through this YouTube video. Apart from that, I will also be giving you some notes. Sorry, not the notes. I'll be giving you some exercise which you will be solving and maintaining a notebook. So when we will have our college open, that time I will be checking it, and you will be having internal marks for this. So whether I give some exercise related to grammar, or some poem, or some lesson, those activities I will be forwarding you all on Google Classroom, and you will have to do it and maintain in the notebook.